I can't even count how many iPhone or phone tripods I have, since most of my filming is done on phones because of the convenience. I do have a Sony a7R III, and I have a Sony an A6, and I was using those, but it's just so much easier to do it with the phone. I mean, the quality of the video and the pictures, just for what I'm doing. If I'm at a wedding, I use the Sony. If I'm shooting YouTube videos, I'm gonna use my phone. This is, I just got this, and it was a daily deal. I think it looked cool. Of course, I couldn't get an up-close look at it, because all they had was pictures, and the pictures just do not do justice for these items. And this is why I do many of these videos, because so that you don't have to go through that. So I'll scan this at the end, the whole box, as usual, and you'll have all the information on it. It's a tripod with a light. I believe it was $11, so it was very well worth it. I have tripods that have magnets. I have tripods that have Velcro. I have tripods with suction cups. Tripods with clips that you mount. Wrap around tripods that you can wrap around poles and stuff like that. So the more tripods you have, the better. So that no matter what situation you're filming in, you have a piece of equipment ready for it. Plus, these are small. For $10, I mean, you know, it's not like it's going to break the bank. This will be at the end also. Just the information. This is everything in the box. So the cable itself, let me just do a quick measurement just to get that out of the way. It's a micro USB, so I guess it's to charge the light. It's about a foot. It's about a foot long. Wow, it's a really nice looking tripod. I like the metal legs, convenience of it. Look at that. This is the light itself. Double click to open. I don't know. Oh. Does that come off? I don't even know now. Just do a quick measurement. The total length, closed. Wow, I think I'm gonna be using this a lot. I like the light. That long. It's about that thick. It's got a tripod mount, screw on the bottom. A camera, I forget the size, you know, it just slips my mind sometimes. About 1 inch that way. Opened like this, and I'm going to this got to be a way of lock. Oh, there it is. So you lock it this way, or you don't lock it. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, you have to push it all the way to the tripod option, and then so that's showing the tripod closed and the tripod open. This one. And oh, it just one for all of them. Okay, great. So let me get an idea of how tall it stands by just its normal size. It's hard to put the camera on it, but it looks about 11 inches. Okay, and if I pull it, does it open up? Yep. Pull it even more. It's pretty big, so it actually stretches. At the highest point, it's about 30 inches. So it's pretty high. It's almost 3 feet in high, as you can see. Seems pretty stable. Now I wouldn't walk away from it. It's for convenience. I wouldn't depend on it for a long period of time. Wind comes, blows your phone over, and that's it. And you press the button to turn on the light. Cool. So let me just collapse it closed. Okay, let's get a close-up look. These are the legs. It's a piece of metal. I don't know what type of metal, maybe aluminum. And these are about a little over 5 inches long. With a rubber tip, it has a rubber tip here. And they all go in. Put it in the clothes, so this slides all the way over. I think I'm going to be carrying this around. Pretty cool. So this should be the remote to just take pictures. Does this come out? Oh, just like the shutter grip. Awesome. So now I can take it with me and take pictures. How? I wonder if this needs to be charged also. It may be part of the connection for the light, which takes a micro USB charging. As you saw the cable earlier, this is to turn on and off this item. I have no idea if this is a charging device or a battery. I don't see, no, it is a charging, just saw it. A micro USB connection there for charging separately. I was hoping it would do it all in one, but okay. And so I'm doing a close-up look for that. That slides out. For $11, pretty good price. It swivels back and forth, so let me tie that down. This is for what? Oh, for this to go. Wait. Oh no. That's a great idea. Wait a minute. Is this to mount something else? So you can put another tripod in there and screw it on. That is so cool. Very convenient. I really like this tripod. For the price, it's pretty cool. Let me see if it, yep, it turns sideways so I can take video sideways with the light. I'm sorry, vertical. And then I could do horizontal shots. That's so cool. Let's get a close-up look on that. I tell you, this is a great idea. Just the convenience of being able to add something else without having to take this out. So pretty much I can just kind of close this off and bring this out. See? And I could use a tripod and not use this. I could use the light and use another mount. That's pretty cool. Or just add another light. I mean, there's so many options. That is such a, I like it. I like it. I think that's a great idea. Does it turn? No, it doesn't. I don't think it turns. No, it doesn't turn 360 or 180 at all. So it looks like it stays just one direction. It's already set at Bluetooth connection. I don't know, I must have pressed it. And this is the this open? Oh yeah, it opens from the top. Wow, this is really strong. Alright, I think this is the thing you pull out, okay. And that comes out, there it goes. So again, to turn it on, you just press this button. Wait. There it goes. It's on. Brighter. Brighter. Off. Hold it to turn. Okay, there it goes. You just gotta press it a few times. There it goes. It's on. Low, medium, high, off. I like it. I really like this tripod. I gotta tell you, I really like it. The swivel's all 360 degrees, totally around. What a great idea. I really like this tripod. I'm really happy with my purchase. Definitely a keeper. I might even buy another one. So this is everything that comes inside the box. And I'll have all this information at the end. Oh, let me just try to set it up. You have to turn this on. So I think I have to press it and hold. And then you go into Bluetooth mode. There it goes. It's on Bluetooth mode. Mophie in Snap X1. Everything's totally charged. I'm connecting that. And I'm connected. Does it have any information? Nope. So I'm facing it the wrong way just to give a look at it. Let me turn on the light. And take a picture. Working perfectly in the video. Beautiful. I know it's facing the wrong way. Really nice selfie stick or tripod or whatever. The light facing you. Just put it the other way. Of course, the screen is blocked, so the light is more for a selfie shot than anything. As you can see, everything's, now that it's facing away with the light facing that way, this is facing the wrong way, so this is more of a tripod selfie stick, self-taking pictures. I'm not a big selfie person at all. I mean, I think I've taken 5 selfie pictures in my life. I'd rather hand it to somebody and have them take a picture. But this is really good for a selfie taking person. Okay. I hope you liked the video. Why is it not working anymore? Okay, there we go. So you have to turn it on by holding it for a short period of time, like 5 seconds. And that's it. Okay, all done. Thank you.